Fun with object pronouns. Learning through examples. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the world of object pronouns. We'll explore their role in English sentences and learn how to use them correctly. But first, let's remind ourselves that an object pronoun is used as the target of a verb or preposition, and they are words like me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Object pronouns are an essential part of English grammar. They replace the object of a sentence, making our speech and writing less repetitive and more fluid. Object pronouns include words such as me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. The object pronoun you choose depends on the number, singular, plural, and gender of the noun it is replacing. Now, let's dive into some examples of object pronouns used in sentences. 1. He likes her. Here, her is the object pronoun replacing the name of the person that he likes. 2. Can you help me? In this case, me is the object pronoun. It's the one receiving the action of the verb help. 3. I saw them at the park. Them is the object pronoun. It replaces a group of people or things that were seen at the park. Remember, the object pronoun always receives the action in a sentence. We also use object pronouns in more complex sentences, often in combination with other grammar structures. Let's take a look. 1. She gave it to him. Here, it and him are both object pronouns. It is the direct object of the verb gave, and him is the indirect object, the recipient of the it. 2. They told us about their trip. In this sentence, us is the object pronoun. It is the indirect object of the verb told, the one receiving the story about the trip. Understanding these more complex uses of object pronouns can really take your English skills to the next level. And that's a wrap on object pronouns. We hope that these examples have helped clarify how to use object pronouns in English. Remember to practice, as it's the best way to become more comfortable with using these in everyday language. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep having fun with English. See you in the next video.